हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू माय चैनल एनपी शॉर्टहैंड डिक्टेशन। गाइस, मैं आज आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करूँगी 400 वर्ड्स की और स्पीड होगी 100 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की। सो बी रेडी फॉर इट। लेट स्टार्ट। 3, 2, 1 and go. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, this incidentally is my maiden speech, and I would like to start my maiden deliberations with a few observations which have been born out of experience of long standing with the working population. Stop. Although it is a welcome thing that the finance minister has had the widest possible constitution with many people on the budget, yet I feel this is not enough. Stop. I feel that there should be a public debate with regard to the budget before the budget is presented. For that it would lead to less of this kind of exercise, I should say mostly a futile exercise, which means loss of time for this house of this parliament also. By public debate, I do not mean that both groups should stand on a platform and speak on it. I mean there must be public discussion and the public should be allowed to participate as to what is going to be the size of the annual plan, which should sector the tax, in which areas there should be developmental properties, and which sector should get priority and which sector should not get priority during the year. I think there is no harm in having a debate, because even in democratic countries like America, they held debates, and even the countries like China, they hold debates. They hold a debate in some form or the other, but there is some kind of a debate before the presentation of the budget. After all, the budget is for the people, and it is the people who is to implement these budgetary provisions. Unless we take the people into confidence, I think the very purpose of presenting the budget will not be served. Stop para. There may be some objection in some quarters that there may be a leakage of the budget and things like that. But I feel that Indian budget is the most innocent budget in the context of international finance, because it hardly affects any country. Probably the budget of countries like Russia and America does affect to some extent the world economy. Even there it is debated, so what is the harm if we have some kind of debate in a country like India, which is free and democratic? The next observation that I should like to make is that unfortunately we have been pursuing a legacy which is outdated in character in our country. Stop. तो गाइस, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से लिखा होगा।